Going down to the beach will take about 30 seconds here. And this is the entrance here. They say it's federal property. And guys, they bring surfboards and all kind of stuff to go out in the big waves. And right here, the first thing you see is that you have a lot of these picnic tables here. People can sit down and enjoy. And this will be crowded some days, right, when people are off, like Saturdays and Sundays, things like that. They marked everything really clear here. They say strong current, the usual stuff, sharp coral, and no fishing. And we have the little Lifeguard tower here. It's a mini version of the big ones you have in town, right? But it's also a smaller beach. And surfing is to the left and swimming to the right. This is really a cool place, actually. You feel like you are far from town. And you can see way back in the background there, you see Honolulu and Diamond Head. So what I recommend is just come out and hang out here. I mean, you sit down, you bring a little snack. Maybe bring your kid and have a great afternoon here. This is definitely a perfect afternoon beach. You also have a shower here where you can actually get clean from all the salty water, or you can clean your surfboard as well. So I would say this is really the place. It's just super perfect. It's really a protected little beach here. I will just follow the beach up a little bit here. The water is also very, very warm here. You walk out here, you can barely feel the water actually. It's just fantastic. It's tropical. It's just the perfect place to be. A sweaty day like this. It's almost 90 degrees here. We have some guys here having the perfect job. And they always play around with these fun quads here in the sand, right? And they try to rescue, you know, people out there having trouble. Somebody's coming up here with a boogie board and some fins. And that's pretty smart. I think you need fins out there in order to be able to go out. Somebody's applying some sunscreen. And there is another tower here, but it's not in use. Probably because it's in the middle of a week. The beach is definitely not full. This is definitely one of my favorite getaway beaches here. in Oahu. I mean, you can just disappear out here, literally. And the beach is continuing here, maybe 200-300 more yards here. A guy with a surfboard, he just came up here. He's done surfing. And now he needs to go and, rinse that board. Another guy behind him is coming up. This area here is really well organized. You have more picnic tables here. You have these barbecue pits or whatever you call them, these barbecue stands here, so you could actually bring out some meat and have a good time. And these two guys that just came up, they have to rinse themselves, and including the boards, right? This is how you enjoy your afternoon, right? Today is yellow flag, it's not too bad. This is just another typical day here, but it could be a lot worse when you see the red flag. In this building here, you actually have the surf shack. And maybe, I know it's hard to see, but I see a lot of surfboards inside. You could actually take lessons here. You can probably rent a board and go out and kind of learn how to navigate on a surfboard. They have some lockers here, which is nice. And these guys are done. They have been in the water, and now it's time to leave. I think my little trip here to the White Plains beach here is over, and I just hope you liked it. It's really an off-the-grid place where the locals go, and I like it. I mean, it's just the best of the best, and it's also not that big actually, which is maybe another plus. That means it can never really be crazy crowded here. So with that said, I need to move on, and I hope you guys have a nice day here. See you later.